I am Dr. D.D. Kumbar, Department of Chemistry, Ferguson College, Pune. Today we are going to see the unit number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. From this chapter, we are going to see the main points: introduction, then classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid, and after that we are going to see the nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Let us will move to the PowerPoint presentation. This is the chapter number 12, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. The weightage for this chapter, it is about the 6 marks, and with option there are 8 marks. Okay. First point, that is introduction. In this chapter we are going to study the organic compounds containing carbon oxygen double bond called carbonyl group, which is one of the most important functional group in organic chemistry. So this is the structure of carbonyl group. Okay. So this is the carbonyl oxygen, carbonyl carbon. Both aldehydes and ketones contain a carbon oxygen double bond as their functional group. Therefore, they are called carbonyl compounds. In aldehydes, carbonyl carbon is bonded to at least one hydrogen apart from an alkyl or aryl group. The functional group of an aldehydes therefore is bond CHO, which is called formyl group or aldehydic carbonyl carbon. On the other hand, in ketones, carbonyl carbon is bonded to two alkyl or aryl groups, either identical, that is R is equal to R, or different, R is not equal to R dash, maybe different groups. It is called ketonic carbonyl group. The functional group of carboxylic acid is bond COH, called carboxyl group. Due to the bond OH, that is hydroxyl group, bonded to carbonyl group, carboxylic acids are distinct from aldehydes and ketones. Let us we see classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids are classified as per the nature of carbon skeleton bonded to carbonyl group. Now classification of aldehydes. Aldehydes are classified as aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. Small a, that is first point here, aliphatic aldehydes, the compounds in which the bond CHO group, that is formyl group, is attached directly to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is saturated carbon atom, are called aliphatic aldehydes. Now aldehydes are classified in two sub-branches, that is aliphatic aldehydes and aromatic aldehydes. Okay. Then ketones, they are further classified in two sub-branches, that is aliphatic ketones and aromatic ketones. That aliphatic ketones, they are further classified in two sub-branches, that is simple or symmetrical ketones, and another one is that mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. Then carboxylic acids, they are classified in two sub-branches, that is aliphatic carboxylic acids, another one that is aromatic carboxylic acid. Exception, that formaldehyde HCHO is also classified as aliphatic aldehyde, though bond CHO group is not attached to any carbon. For example, here this is the CH3 bond CHO, that is the acetaldehyde. So another example, that is the propanaldehyde, CH3 bond CH2 bond CHO, that is the propanaldehyde. Okay. So this is the general formula for the aldehyde, that is RC double bond OH. Okay. So this is the general formula. So R may be here, that is hydrogen or alkyl group. Okay. This is for the aldehyde. Now the small b part here, that is the aromatic aldehydes, the compounds in which bond CHO group is attached directly to an aromatic ring are called aromatic aldehydes. For example, here this is the benzaldehyde. Okay. So here is benzene ring, and here you will observe that CHO group is attached. Okay. This is the benzaldehyde. Another example, that is the salicyldehyde. Okay. Salicyldehyde. So here you will observe that hydroxyl group is there and bond CHO group is there. So that is the salicyldehyde. Another example here, para-nitrobenzaldehyde. So this is the benzene ring. At para position, nitro group is attached, and here at one position, that is the CHO group is attached. Okay, so that is para-nitrobenzaldehyde. So these are all examples of aromatic aldehydes. Then classification of ketones. Ketones are classified as aliphatic and aromatic ketones. Small a part, that is aliphatic ketones, the compounds in which the carbonyl group is attached to two alkyl groups are called aliphatic ketones. So this is the general formula for the ketones, RC double bond O R dash. So this is the oxo or ketonic carbonyl group. Okay, oxo or ketonic carbonyl group. So this is the general formula where R or R dash is equal to alkyl group, that is identical or different, maybe the same alkyl group or maybe the different alkyl group. Okay. On the basis of types of alkyl groups bonded to carbonyl carbon, aliphatic ketones are further classified as simple and mixed ketones. Number 1, simple or symmetrical ketones, that is the ketones in which both the alkyl groups are bonded to carbonyl carbon are identical are called simple ketones or symmetrical ketones. For example, CH3C double bond OCH3, that is the dimethyl ketone. Okay, common name it is also known as acetone. Okay, so in this example you will observe that two alkyl group, that is CH3 and CH3, both groups are similar or same, and therefore it is a simple ketone or symmetrical ketone. Okay. Another example you will observe that here C2H5O C double bond O bond C2H5O, that is the diethyl ketone. So in this example also you will observe that two alkyl groups are same or similar. So therefore this is example of simple ketone or symmetrical ketones. Okay. After that we are going to see the second part, that is mixed or unsymmetrical ketones. The ketones in which two alkyl groups bonded to carbon are different are called mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. For example, here you will see that ethyl methyl ketone. Ethyl methyl ketone. Okay. So in this example, you will observe that this is the C2H5 and CH3. These two alkyl groups are different. Okay. Two alkyl groups are different. Therefore, it is a unsymmetrical ketone, or you can say that here mixed ketone. Okay. This is ethyl methyl ketone. Another here ethyl N-propyl ketone. So you will observe that this is the C2H5, this is the ethyl group, and this is the propyl group. Okay, that is N-propyl. Why it is called as N-propyl? Because it is in a straight chain. So ethyl N-propyl ketone. So this is the example of mixed ketone or unsymmetrical ketone. Why? Because both alkyl groups are different. They are not similar. Okay, so therefore it is called as a mixed or unsymmetrical ketone. Next part, that is B part, that is aromatic ketones. The compounds in which the carbonyl group is attached to either two aryl groups or one aryl and one alkyl group are called aromatic ketones. For example, benzophenone or diphenyl ketones. So here carbonyl group, it is attached to the two phenyl rings or two benzene rings. Okay, so both are here, that is same. Okay, benzene rings are there. Okay, so this is the benzophenone or diphenyl ketone. So this is the aromatic ketone. Example of aromatic ketone. So here you will observe that acetophenone, one group that is the methyl group. Okay, and here it is phenyl group. This is the phenyl group. Okay, so this is the two different alkyl groups are there, but this is the example of an aromatic ketone. Okay, then classification of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are classified as aliphatic and aromatic carboxylic acids. A part, that is aliphatic carboxylic acid, the organic compounds in which carboxyl, that is bond COH group, is bonded to an alkyl group are called aliphatic carboxylic acids. Or fatty acids, exception, that is formic acid HCOH is also classified as aliphatic carboxylic acid, though bond COH group is not attached to any carbon atom. Okay, for example, CH3COH, this is the acetic acid. Another example, that is propionic acid, CH3CH2 bond COH. This is the example of carboxylic acid. Okay, this is the general formula for the carboxylic acid, RC double bond O and bond OH. So hydroxyl group is attached to the carbonyl group. Okay, this is a carboxyl functional group. This is known as a carboxyl functional group. This is the general formula. R, so alkyl group may be hydrogen or alkyl group. Okay, maybe methyl, ethyl, propyl, whatever it may be that. So depending on the number of bond COH groups present, the carboxylic acids are classified as mono, di, tri, carboxylic acids, and so on. For example, here, the first example, that is the monocarboxylic acid, that is the propionic acid. So in this example, only one group of carboxylic acid there, bond COH. So this is the example of monocarboxylic acid, that is the CH3CH2COH, that is propionic acid. In this example, there oxalic acid, this is the example of a dicarboxylic acid. There are two carboxylic groups are present, okay, bond COH, bond COH. This is the example of dicarboxylic acid. Next example, this is the citric acid. It is example of a tricarboxylic acid. It is example of tricarboxylic acid. Why? Because there are three carboxyl groups are present in this molecule, okay. So this is the example of tricarboxylic acid, that is the citric acid. Small b part, that is aromatic carboxylic acids. Okay, these are the compounds in which one or more carboxyl groups, that is bond COH, are directly attached to the aromatic ring. For example, benzoic acid. So you will observe that here benzene ring is there. This is the benzene ring and COH group is attached. Okay, another here example, that benzene ring is there and another two carboxyl groups are present here. So name of the acid is, that is the phthalic acid. So here pH is the, that is silent. Okay, so name of this acid, that is the phthalic acid. So this is the monocarboxylic acid. This is the dicarboxylic acid. Okay, but these examples are the aromatic carboxylic acids. Here this is another example, that is acetyl salicylic acid. Common name it is aspirin. So in this you will observe that here COH group that is present, and here another, that is a acetyl group is there. So name of this compound, that is the aspirin or acetyl salicylic acid. So these examples are that is the aromatic carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids are widely distributed in nature. They are found in both the plants and animals. L-lactic acid is present in curd. Citric acid is found in citrus fruit, that is the lemons. Acetic acid is the key ingredient of vinegar. So L-lactic acid, that is the levorotatory lactic acid, okay, that is L-lactic acid. After that we are going to see nomenclature of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Nomenclature of aldehydes and carboxylic acid. The names of aldehydes and carboxylic acids are related to each other. There are two systems of naming aldehydes and carboxylic acids, that is the trivial and IUPAC. Trivial, that is common name, and IUPAC name, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. This is the system. Small a part, that is trivial names of aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Trivial names of aliphatic aldehydes are derived from the corresponding trivial names of carboxylic acids. Here the ending IC acid of carboxylic acid is replaced by the ending aldehyde. In case of substituted aliphatic carboxylic acids and aldehydes, the position of substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta, gamma, and so on. The carbon atom adjacent carbonyl group or carbonyl carbon is labeled as alpha, and next one is beta, and so on. See the table number 12.1. So after that, I will show the table number 1. Now B part, that is IUPAC names of aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Okay, according to IUPAC system, the name of an aliphatic aldehyde is derived from the name of the corresponding alkane by replacing ending E of an alkane with Al. Aldehyde is named as alkanal. Table 12.1, it will indicate that the IUPAC name of aliphatic carboxylic acid is derived from the name of the corresponding alkane by replacing ending E of an alkane with OIC acid. Refer to the standard 11th chemistry textbook. See the section 14.4.7. So simply you remember that alkane is converted into alkanal. E of alkane is replaced by Al. So alkane to alkanal. Similarly for the carboxylic acid here, alkane, E of alkane is replaced by OIC acid, that is alkanoic acid. The longest chain including bond CHO or bond COH group is identified as the parent chain. Numbering of the chain is done by giving number 1 to the bond CH2, that is the aldehyde group, or carboxyl group, that is bond COH group or bond COH carbon. The name of substituent is included along with its locant. See this example here, CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. So here you will observe that that one number it is given to this functional group. Okay. So similarly, another example here, CH3, CH2, CH2 bond COH. So here also one number it is given to the carboxyl group. Okay. So here first number, that is one number, always you will give at the functional group. Aldehyde, that is bond CHO group, and the carboxyl bond COH group are always present at the end of the parent straight chain. When two bond CHO, that is aldehyde groups, are present at the two ends of the chain, the ending A of an alkane is retained and the suffix, that is dial, okay, dial is added to the name of the parent aldehyde. In case of dicarboxylic acids, dioic, D-I-O-I-C, dioic acid is added to the name of the parent alkane. In IUPAC nomenclature, an alicyclic compound in which that bond CHO group, that is a aldehyde group, is attached directly to the ring is named as a carbaldehyde. The suffix carbaldehyde is added after the full name of parent cycloalkane structure. Similarly, an alicyclic compound having a carboxyl group directly attached to alicyclic ring is named as cycloalkane carboxylic acid. Okay. Then substituted aromatic aldehydes and carboxylic acids. When two or more different functional groups are attached to a ring, the higher priority group, that is standard 11 chemistry textbook chapter number 14 from this section 14.4.7, so is given lower number when bond CHO group appears as a substituent. Prefix formyl is used in the IUPAC name. Now you'll see the example here, 4-hydroxy-3-methyl-benzaldehyde. So here at CHO, that is here one number it is given, here one number is given, 2, 3 and 4. At fourth position hydroxyl group is there, and at 3 position methyl group is there. So name of this compound, that is 4-hydroxy-3-methyl-benzaldehyde. Another example here, 3-hydroxy-4-methyl-benzoic acid. So number 1 it is given to this carbon atom, 2 is there, 3 is there, and 4. At a fourth position methyl group is there. Okay. So at 3 position hydroxyl group is there. So 3-hydroxy-4-methyl-benzoic acid. Okay. Then another example here, you will observe that at carbon number here carboxyl group, that is one number is given, and here carbon number 2 is given. Okay. So here 2-formyl, CHO group is known as a formyl group, 2-formyl-benzoic acid, 2-formyl-benzoic acid. Then trivial and IUPAC names of some aldehydes and carboxylic acids are given in table number 12.1. Trivial and IUPAC names of ketones apart, the trivial names of aliphatic ketones are based on the names of alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to carbonyl carbon. Names of alkyl or aryl groups are written in alphabetical order followed by the word ketone. In case of substituted aliphatic ketones, the position of substituent is indicated by labeling the carbon serially as alpha, beta, gamma, and so on. The carbon atom adjacent to the carbonyl carbon is labeled as alpha, and next one is beta, and so on. Names of aromatic ketones are based on a phenone system. See the table number 12.2. So this is the table number 12.1, trivial and IUPAC names of carboxylic acids and aldehydes. Okay. So you will observe the structures, trivial name and IUPAC name for the carboxylic acid. First example, that is H bond COH, that is formic acid, methanic acid, that is IUPAC name. CH3COH, that is acetic acid, IUPAC name is the ethanoic acid. Propionic acid, that is CH3CH2COH, that is a propionic acid, IUPAC name propionic acid. Okay. Then structure number fourth one here, CH3CH2CH2COH, that is N-butyric acid, and IUPAC name, that is butyanoic acid. Okay. Then CH3 twice CH bond COH, that is isobutyric acid, alpha methyl propionic acid, that is 2-methyl propionic acid. Okay. Then CH2 double bond CH bond COH, that is acrylic acid, IUPAC name, that is prop-2-enoic acid. COH bond COH, that is oxalic acid. IUPAC name, that is ethanediol acid. Okay, here that is benzoic acid, that is carboxylic acid, that is benzoic acid name is there. Benzene carboxylic acid, another name, that is common name, and IUPAC, that is benzoic acid. So here you will observe that benzene ring here COH and CH3 group is attached, the orthotolic acid, common name, and IUPAC 2-methyl benzoic acid. At carbon number 2 there is a methyl group, and therefore 2-methyl benzoic acid. So this is the salicylic acid, COH group. At the carbon number 2 hydroxyl group is there, therefore IUPAC name, that is 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. So here 2 carboxyl groups are there, so it is a phthalic acid. So benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid is IUPAC name. Here the cyclohexane ring is there, which is attached to the carboxyl group, that is the cyclohexyl carboxylic acid, that is cyclohexene carboxylic acid. Then aldehydes, structure, that is trivial name, SCHO, that is formaldehyde, that is methanol, CH3CHO acetaldehyde, IUPAC name, that is ethanol, CH3CH2CHO propanaldehyde, IUPAC name, that is propanol, CH3CH2CH2CHO, that is butyraldehyde, butanol, CH3 twice CH bond CHO isobutyryl aldehyde, that is alpha methyl propanaldehyde, IUPAC name is 2-methyl propanol. Then CH2 double bond CH bond CHO, that is acrolein, IUPAC name, that is prop-2-enol. Okay, CHO that is CHO bond CHO, that is oxaldehyde, that is glyoxal, and IUPAC name, that is ethanediol. Okay, because 2 aldehyde groups are there, therefore ethanediol. So this is the benzaldehyde, common name benzaldehyde. IUPAC name is the benzaldehyde of benzene carbaldehyde. So here at carbon number 2 there is a methyl group, ortho position, so orthotoleraldehyde, 2-methyl benzaldehyde. At carbon number 2 there is a methyl group, so IUPAC name, that is 2-methyl benzaldehyde. So here this is the salicylaldehyde. So at carbon number 2 there is hydroxyl group, therefore 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde is IUPAC name. So 2 aldehyde groups are present, so it is a phthalaldehyde. Okay, and IUPAC name, that is the benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. This is the cyclohexane ring, which is attached to the aldehyde group. So cyclohexane aldehyde, that is cyclohexane carbaldehyde. So these are the IUPAC names for the aldehydes and carboxylic acid. The IUPAC names of aliphatic ketones are derived from the names of the corresponding alkanes by replacing ending E of an alkane with one. They are named as alkanone. The longest chain of the carbon atoms containing the ketonic carbonyl group is numbered from the end closer to the carbonyl carbon, that is alkane is converted to alkanone. When 2 carbonyl groups are present, then ending E of an alkane is retained and the suffix dione is added to the name of parent ketone, indicating the locus of the ketonic carbonyl groups. In case of polyfunctional ketones, higher priority group is given, lower number when ketonic carbonyl is lower priority group, it is named as oxo, preceded by the locon. In alicyclic ketones, carbonyl carbon is numbered as 1, refer the table number 12.2. So here we'll see the table number 12.2, that is trivial and IUPAC names of some ketones. Okay, these are the compounds trivial name and IUPAC name. So this is the CH3COCH3, that is the dimethyl ketone, that is acetone. IUPAC name is propanone. CH3COCH2CH3, that is ethyl methyl ketone. IUPAC name is butanone. CH3COCH2CH2CH3, that is methyl N-propyl ketone, that is pentane 2-1. Okay, CH3CH2COCH2CH3, that is diethyl ketone, that is pentane 3-1. Okay, CH3CHBr bond CO CH2CH2 CH3. So at alpha position there is a bromo group. Okay, so alpha bromo ethyl N-propyl ketone, that is a common name, and IUPAC name 2-bromohexane 3-on. Okay, so why it is 3-on? That is at carbon number 3 there is a carbonyl group, and at carbon number 2 there is a bromo group. So it is 2-bromohexane 3-on. Okay, then CH3 twice, C double bond CH bond CO CH3. Okay, so it is known as a mesetyl oxide, and IUPAC name, that is 4-methyl pent 3-in-2-1. Okay, so at carbon number 4 there is a methyl group, and at carbon number 3 the double bond is started, and therefore 3-in, and at carbon number 2 there is a carbonyl group, so 2-1. Okay, CH3COCH2 COCH2 CH3, common name is not there, hexane 2,4-dione. CH3CO, CH2, CHO, common name is not there, 3-oxobutanol. So two phenyl rings are there. This is the diphenyl ketone, that is benzophenone. So here phenyl ring and methyl group is attached. So methyl phenyl ketone, that is acetophenone, and IUPAC name is acetophenone. So cyclohexane, and here that is methyl group is attached also there, and chloro group is an okay. So common name is not there, but IUPAC name 2-chloro. At a carbon number 2 there is a chlorine group, and at 4 position there is a methyl group. So 2-chloro 4-methyl cyclohexanone. So today we'll stop here, and today we have studied the unit number 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. From this chapter we have studied the introductory part for this chapter, that is introduction for aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. After that we have seen the classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, and after that we have seen the nomenclature system for the aldehydes and ketones, that is the trivial name system and IUPAC nomenclature system. Thank you very much.